Here's the top 3 strangest airsoft guns ever made. Number 1 is the AAP-01. And no, this is not the regular AAP-01, this is the drill version. Now yes, technically this is a kit that goes on the gun, but you can buy the gun like this from Action Army themselves, so I think it counts. Number 2 is the Evike Custom Anti-SBR Chris Vector. With this gun you have a 35-inch key mod handguard, so you can mount as many optics, flashlights, lasers, grenade launchers, and small buildings as you want. And this does come at the small price of $5,000, but you do get free shipping, so it's a pretty good deal. Number 3 is the Ikazuchi Type 0. This thing looks like it came from outer space and is sold out just about everywhere you look.